Hello, I'm Jeffrey with Habibis Home Medical and Habibis Durable Medical. And today is going to be the first of our instructional videos on how to use various pieces of medical equipment that are provided for your home. Today, we're going to be talking about the standard walker. Now, this is a four-legged walker that folds out just like so. Why they call it standard is it doesn't have wheels, it has just four prongs. The way this walker is used is the patient grips the hand grips, walks to it, moves it forward. It's like having a double cane in one situation. Now, the height that you generally want to adjust this for is so there's a slight bend in your patient's arm. This allows them to have a little bit of strength to be able to pick it up and move it forward, and also a little bit of cushioning should they need it. To fold this walker up, you push down on the trigger point here and pop it closed, like so. This makes it easier for travel or to fit in the car, back seat, or wherever. As you can see, these are quite light and they're very easy to use. We hope that you'll come and talk to us further and listen to the further YouTube videos on other pieces of equipment. The next piece of equipment that we will be discussing in future videos will be the folding rolling walker with wheels. Thank you for your time.